What on me? What, bro? Huh? The pollo? Oh! The chicken! Oh! The chicken! The chicken! Oh my goodness, thank you, Mr. Try. Whoa! I'll make sure to send you some chicken through mail. Alright. Thank you, thank you. All we're gonna do is just dice it up real small. Because it has to fit in my little pastelitos or empanadas. You know what I mean? So we can get flour everywhere. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab a bowl. Because after I'm gonna start, putting it around. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab a cup. Use any cup you want. The size is what matters. So if you want a big empanada pastelito, you get a big cup. I have frozen. Or if you want a small cup, you can use my Live, Laugh, and Love cup, know what I'm saying? But we're going to do a smaller one, all right? I'm going to save the frozen one for another day. Okay? So this is what we're going to do, okay? You see this right here? We're going to try to make as many small pastelitos as we can. So we're going to go at the edge. Come around here. Come around here. You're going to see this right here. Ooh, finito. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to press on it, you know what I'm saying? And you're going to get a circle. Then you're going to adapt to it. Around. And then you see this right here? You see this line? Yeah, it's not touching it. You see, you try to get as close as you can so you can get the most out of it. And then, voila. And you keep repeating, you know what I mean? Voila. One more time. Voila. Let's see if you can fit. No, you're not waiting on it, right? After that, just grab some. You know what I mean? You just pull it back and you get one pastelito. And then you're going to get 2 pastelitos. And then you're going to get 10 pastelitos. Ooh, 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 ooh. And then you're going to get 28 pastelitos. You know what I'm saying? And there you go. You have a perfect circle. You know what I mean? It's the size of, I don't know, it looks like Max O'Reilly's head. I'm just playing. Don't take it serious. And then the extra one, I want you to save it, okay? I want you to roll it up. Roll it up. It's like if it was Play-Doh. You just... Know what I mean? Well, I don't know if you guys knew about this. I used to be pizza guy. You know what they call me over there? Chef Boyardee. That's right. The can boy. And you just keep playing around. Just beat it up. Yeah. And do it again. Bruh. It's almost like homework. You just want to beat it up. You know what I'm saying? You get that. And once you feel like it's all flat, for fun, just almost messed that up. Grab your cup and then hit. Voila. You do it again, but don't throw away. You're gonna need it because all the leftovers are gonna make another pastelito. And then there you go. You have perfect small ones. So once you're there, what I like to do is put it on the edge because then it gets crowded. And once it gets crowded, it's gonna go. So, I'm going to do the rest for these, and then I'm going to be right back. I'm going to show you guys once it's finished, the one that rolled out. Adios. Go, baby.
I'm so tired. I can't believe he made us up 200 empanadas.
Huh. Oh. Girls. I got to pretend like I'm doing it. Get out the camera. Now that I rolled the 200 empanadas, sorry, the girls wanted to be in the video, don't worry. It wasn't nothing serious, okay? So this is what we're gonna do, okay? Come here, follow me on this. I'm gonna get some gloves on this. I don't want to touch that. Ew. So, I got some chicken here, you know what I'm saying? Shredded chicken. I got some eggs. And I got some leftover meat, alright? And I'm gonna show you how to do this, okay? First we get the gloves. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna get to the rolling, okay? So, I'm back. So, got to do a step, right? I'll tell you guys. I made the fillings for my empanadas. It's cream cheese, some triple cheddar cheese, and the chicken, okay? You put the cream cheese in the microwave for like 30 seconds. You mix it with the cheese. I use a bag. And then mix it with the chicken. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab our pie. We're gonna grab the fork full of eggs. You know what? Dip your fingers in there and spread it around. Right? Like I said, and we're gonna spread it around. You know what I'm saying? You want it nice and glossy. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna grab some, up to you. Up to you what you want, whatever you think is fine. And then this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna, like that. I think that's reasonable. What you want is to stuff it and make it into like a dumpling. And flatten it. There's two ways you can do it, okay? I'm gonna show you the first way. The first way, once you have everything all tightened up, you grab the fork and you can press it down. And keep pressing it down on the edges. That's it. Okay. And then you grab some eggs and you color it on the inside. I mean on the top, sorry. My English no good. You grab the top. And then that's your first empanada with the fork edges, okay? I'm gonna put it on a tray. The second one, all right, I hope you're paying attention, okay, guys? You're gonna grab that, grab the egg again, mix it around like I'm DJing. And then you're gonna grab your stuffing, okay? You're gonna do it again, whatever you think is reasonable. You flatten it and make it into a dumpling. So this step is different, okay? This one's a little more skills. So if you're bored at home, got nothing to do for like 3 months, quarantine, and you don't want to do your homework, I'm sorry, you gotta do your homework. This is what I do. I grab the edge, I pinch the edge, and just bring it over. And then bring it over. And then bring it over. Bring it over. Wolfie, I am recording. Sorry, my dog is in the picture. And then you keep doing it. This is to make it look more fancy. Okay. Hi, Wolfie. Come here. You guys want to see a sneak peek of my dog? I might cook him next. Come here, Wolfie. Good boy. Give me a hug. You want to cook? No? You want to be part? Good boy. And then you get the egg. You mean wash it up so you can get a nice coat in the oven. And that's it. Okay. These are the two different ones with my dog. You get the one with the fork and the one with the bending over. And now that I'm here, I'm just gonna have to give a little bit to my dog. Wolfie, come here, Wolfie. Wolfie, come here. I have to let him give my dog some. Ready? I taught him a new trick, guys. I hope you're watching. Up, up. Jump. Okay, he doesn't listen. Jump. Brinca. I'm gonna drop it. Good boy. I'm gonna throw in my gloves. I want you guys to know, but this is what I do with my dog. Right, Wolfie? Good boy. And now I'm gonna just do it for the other ones. I just gotta wash my hands. You know what I'm saying? Just in case. I wanna be nice and safe. And then we're gonna do it again, okay? And I'll see you guys next one. Empanadas and everything, I put it in the oven. It's been here for like 20, 25 minutes. And we about to eat, alright? I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Come here, look inside, look inside. You see that? Ooh, hey, delicioso. You know what I mean? I'm gonna pull that out. Right? Look. You see that? Color. Ooh, wee. Let me go put it over there so we can like cut it in and check it out. Watch out, it's hot. No shame. We're gonna put it right here. We all gonna eat. Everybody gonna eat.
Yeah.